In today's video, we're going to make this tag using the scraps that I cut off of to size my signatures. Hello, welcome to Nixies Notebooks. I am your host, and sorry, my chair makes weird noises, but I just wanted to... That was a big mouthful. Okay. Hello, welcome to Nixies Notebooks. I am your host, and today I'm going to make a tag. This is some of the paper that I did use in for signatures in my journal. I do like to kind of use up some of the papers as I go. That way they're kind of, the ephemera kind of matches and you kind of see some of the themes throughout the book. They may not be in the same signature, but you get the idea. So this is a piece of paper, and we're just going to make the card out of this. It's two-sided, or the card, the tag. Sorry, I am like, I don't know where my mind is or why I can't speak today. So we're going to use this to make the tag. I'm going to just make sure, I think these should be all okay, but we're just going to clean them up just in case. Just in case. And then, there we go. All right. So first things first, I am going to glue some paper onto it, but I'm not going to glue paper onto it yet. We'll do a collage first. We'll do a collage. I like the idea that the paper is going to be on this side, like the little, like the writing pad. Maybe. Yeah. Actually, what I am going to do is I'm going to make a little writing pad on the back here. That is what I'm going to do. Yes, that is what I'm going to do. We got this. All right. Okay, so first let's round the corners first. I'm going to do it on the medium. Then, I like that string. Ooh, so... Yeah. Okay, so this is, I'm gonna, I'll punch a hole in the top and then I'll tie it with this. But we need to come up with a little collage down here. Let's see what we got going on here. Not liking that. Okay. Let's see what else we've got. I have so much scrap paper from these cuttings and stuff that there's gotta be something we can use, right? Yeah. I can't cut a straight line to save my life. Don't know what my problem is. It's gonna have to be close enough. There we go. And I'm mumbling to myself again, because that's what I do. Do I want to leave that hanging off a little bit? Yeah, why not? I don't know. No, I don't like it hanging off. It's a very neutral looking thing. There we go. Oh, I really like this bird picture right here, so we're going to cut that out and we're going to put that in there. Use that. So I'm going to use this picture right here. I like the little log and the bird hanging off the log, or do I like the sweat feeder? No, that's a little more lengthy. I like the length of it, so we're going to do that. And the width, like it's small width. That makes sense. Sorry, again, the chair, it makes noises. I'm going to actually probably use embroidery thread instead of the ribbon. I don't know. Let me cut this off like this. So this book is actually, it's like, I don't know, some sort of bird garden book, but it's like, no, maybe not. All right, I was gonna say it's nice because they kind of, whatever, anyways, I don't know what I'm talking about. I was gonna say it's nice because they have sections, and the sections seem to kind of go on the back and forth, like the way the book is sectioned off. So it's better to cut, and I'm not cutting a lot of stuff, but then I just proved myself wrong. So apparently, don't listen to what I say. Off a little bit more on the top there. Sorry, I don't mean to be snapping that. Oh yeah, that looks cute, now doesn't it? Or maybe without that piece, maybe put it like that. But then I'm gonna need something, I definitely gonna need a color behind there. Ooh, how about this? I think that will look really good. I'll just ink up the edges. How does that look? I mean, that looks, yeah, that's what I'm talking about. I'll ink up these edges too. So right there, right along the edge, to make sure I really glue this down well, because my plan is not to sew this one. So, all right, let's ink up the edges a little bit. That makes it pop a little bit. I'm gonna do that on top, I think. My goal is to I just hope these were all cut straight. Probably not, but that's okay. And we'll put that there on top of that. Oops. Maybe I can put like a word or like a something, like a saying across there, so that way we don't have to see log with drilled holes. Yeah, just kind of throwing that out there. I really mumbled that. What I was saying was I'm going to find a word or something to kind of put over top of this so it doesn't say log with drilled holes. I realized that I was probably mumbling. I have a really bad habit of mumbling, because when I craft myself, I still talk to myself, so because I have issues and problems. I really shouldn't say that. I don't have a lot of issues and problems. Well, I do have, well, okay, I'm not even, this will be cut out anyways. All right. Okay, let's get these glued down. Really drive me batty. I'm going to use a fabric tack. I just think it's a stronger glue. I'm a little more comfortable with it. Get this stuff everywhere. It's awful. I get this stuff everywhere. It's getting the glue off my fingers, so if you see me pill rolling, it's just 'cause I'm getting glue off my fingers. All right. Do it up like that, maybe? Yeah, that'll work. I might actually put a few stitches here and there. I can make my sewing machine do like little X's. Maybe that's what I'll do, like little blue X's on there. Might kind of bring out some of the, might be kind of a fun little pattern to do. What the? Paper everywhere. It's the hazards of working with paper, is you have paper everywhere. It's kind of tragic. Okay, there we go. Yeah, I like that. See if I can get a little piece of word or something. Let's see what we got. Let's see what we've got. like it. I think we have found what we are going to use on the edges of my... Okay, we are going to use Wild at Heart. I like it. I think it'll work really well. But yeah, I think I'm going to cut it like this. Because I can. I'm going to cut it like this because I can. Really close to the T there. There we go. I have to move that up just a little bit. I don't know if I like that. Okay, let's try a different one. How about creative writing? Do this. That along there. I like that. Okay, so there was a brief pause there. If it looks kind of wonky, it's because there was a brief pause. I did speak to my husband for a few minutes, so. All right, and we're gonna glue this puppy down. This is a journal, creative writing. I just figured that's probably a nice little little taggy there. And we are going to rip up some of this paper and we are going to put this on the back. I don't know if I should just rip it up and just put it on the back. Yeah, why not? And then you know what? And then I'm just gonna put, like I said, I'm gonna put a hole in there and I'm gonna do the, yeah, okay. Sometimes I kind of like go back and forth as to what I'm going to do just because, well, sometimes I just don't know what I'm going to do. There we go. Yep, perfect. All right. This is a G. All right. And yet again, we are going to ink. Ugh, so gross. This glue gets so gross sometimes, especially towards the end. I don't know why, it just does. All right, let's glue this puppy down. I am using the fabric tack more just because I am, like I said, I'm having some issues with the glue sticks. Like I've, for some reason, like the pages bent. It could be because it's dry and it's summertime. I don't know. I just am having some issues with it. I don't know why. I might have said that in the other video. I don't remember what video I said that in now. No, I'm thinking, did I say that in this video? Not sure if I did. But so I've been using more of this stuff, which of course is expensive. But I would rather have a well-made product than a not so well-made product. Okay. There we go. Okay. It's not sticky, it's not glue or anything on it, it just does that. It just makes that noise, I don't know why. So, and let's cut a hole in here. We'll do a hole punchy. Okay, I gotta stop that. I don't know why I'm talking like a 2-year-old. Hole punchy? Might be big enough. Let's do this one. Does that look halfway? Gosh, I hope so. Wish there was a way I could kind of... No, probably not. That's all right. And here we go. And here is another finished tag. So here we go, another finished tag. Got that in the back, got a nice little back place to write. So there we go. Thank you for watching. I want to thank all the new people who have signed up to my channel, and like and subscribe. And if there's anything you want to see me do or make, or if you're curious about anything I've done, just ask away in the comments. And I try to get back to them. Sometimes I don't see them as well. I don't know, it's weird, the little app, but whatever. But I will find it eventually. You know, maybe I try to do it as quickly as possible. Let's just leave it at that. All right. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.